Come on, children, let's continue with further about the same chapter, computer languages. Now, working with translator. A translator is a program language process that used to convert the program written in programming language into the machine language. The translate is a programming language, or you can say a app or a converter which converts the program written in high level language into a simple machine language. She. The picture has been shown the level of languages: high level language, low level language, extend machine codes. The program which are been written in high level languages are converted into the machine language, and then it shows the output or a result, whatever which we want accordingly. The next picture also show you the same thing, how the translator converts the high level language, or you can say the programming language, into the machine languages. One more picture, one more example, and one more way to get a easy way about the machine codes, how the other codes or other languages has been written and how it are converted into machine language. Other one more example or one more picture is given to you. See one more again. You can see it, how the languages has been written, them assembler change into the smaller machine languages. See it, the whole picture describe you everything in detail. A translator is capable to detect and reports any error during the translation process. A translator is a capable to find the error in your translation process, and you at exactly that time it shows a sign, or you can say give you a highlight about that this here the defect has been given, or here the error has been there in your translators. Now see, let us see the different type of translator. There are the three different types of translator. Now let's discuss all this translator in detail. See, first is compiler. A compiler is a program that translates a program code written in a high language to a lower language in a machine language at once. Compiler is one that change the high level language into the lower language or in a machine language. But the thing is that in a compiler the error is not being found, the mistake has been on does not get easily rectified or defected. The error, or you can say where the mistake has been done, it not shown been easily because it translate the language at once. The main purpose of such conversion is to create a stable program. The main purpose of this only that we get an stable program. Now let's see the picture. See the picture of compiler. The picture shows you how the compiler change into the simple machine high level language into the simple programming language, or you can say the machine languages. The next picture is also been given how the simple language is converted into the next languages. Let's start with the next topic, that is interpreter. The second, translator. Interpreter is a translator program that converts the source of program written in high language to the lower language. This is also a program, or you can say it as a translator program which converts the machine language high level language into the machine language, or you can say the lower language. The difference in compiler and interpreter, that is compiler at once change everything, but interpreter change line by line, extension is shown line by line, and because of that line by line the error or a mistake has been easily found in the interpreter. See the same I have told you. See, it immediately report you about where the error and encounter during the process, and that the same process has been stopped over there when the error has been found. That's why the interpreter is more usable and more, you can say, capable or more perfect than the compiler. Instead of compiler, the person or the user used more interpreter than the compiler, and it is a faster than the compiler. Interpreter is faster than the compiler. See in a picture you can see how the interpreter translates for the things for customers, for us, everything, because it translates. How, see, we stays in India, we find the things in different places, they definitely it's not easy for them to understand our language. So that's why translator or a compiler, that when compiler interpreter are being used to translate the languages, it and that will make the easy for the other person to encounter what we are going to say. Let's move further. The assembler. Another important program is assembler. It is used to translate assembly language code into machine language code. The assembler is used only when the assembly language code is given to change into machine language code. See, because code has been there, the compiler or interpreter cannot be used to change into the machine language code. So that's why only the assembler is there, which translates the assembly language code into the machine language code. See the image, it shows how the assembly language is translated into the machine code. One more picture is there, so that you can easily say it, and you can visualize it. Now the pictures has been shown to you, the whole pictures of these ones. Over here our chapter has been finished. This was what we learned about the languages of computer in details. Now the chapter has been complete. Everything has been complete we learned in this chapter.